Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today I've got a quick little speed clean of the downstairs, which I do every week. Okay, so first things first, Zoflora. If you don't use Zoflora, you need to go and get some. Baby oil, which I'll show you why in a second. Mr. Sheen. Anti-bac wipes from Aldi, I just think they're the best. I love their floor wipes. Stainless steel wipes, they're brilliant. Some cloths. Some Flash anti-bac. Febreze. More anti-bac. Okay, so first things first, I'm just tidying up because it looks like a bomb's hit it. So I'm just putting away all the clean cups and washing bottles, which is just the story of my life. So I'm going to wash them super quickly. Next, bleaching the sink. I tend to find that this is the best way of getting the stains off if you want to do it quickly. When I do more in-depth cleaning, obviously I use different products, but this was just a really quick spruce up. I didn't have long. And I always make sure I clean the bowl as well because the bowl gets really dirty. And then just quickly anti-backing the surfaces in the kitchen. Next, the toaster. The toaster just accumulates crumbs and it's a bugbear, so yeah, just get rid of all those crumbs and give it a spruce underneath. Ta-da! Wiping down any pots. Getting Ben's fingerprints off the cookie jar. And you've got to be in your comfies to clean, obviously. Next, the stove. Stainless steel wipes. I found these in Home Bargains for like £1 and they're really, really good. I really recommend them for that quick clean. Just get all the grime off. They don't leave it streaky, which I think is great. And they get all the dirt off the rings as well. Is that what they're called? So yeah, I think they're really good. You can also use anti-bac wipes as well. And then my little trick I learned off Gemma Louise Miles, which is the baby oil trick. Just brings that stainless steel back to life with a nice big shine. Next, just tidying all the crap away off the microwave and wiping it down because it gets so dusty. Next, Zoflora in the sink and filling my bowl up with Zoflora. 1, to make the house smell nice, and 2, to soak and disinfect my cloth. So I always do that. Next, washing, boring. I just use Fairy Non-Bio. Hoovering. Boring. Hoover, hoover, hoover. Let me know what you think of this video, guys. Obviously, oh, here he is, the beast. That's Kobe, by the way. He's the reason I have to hoover like a million times a day. But I love him, he's wicked. Yeah, let me know what you think of the video, guys, because obviously this is just a really quick speed clean. But if you want to see an in-depth of how I really deep clean, there he is again, then yeah, let me know, because I can do that and I'd probably enjoy that. I just enjoy watching cleaning videos, think they're really therapeutic, so I thought I'd give it a go myself. Here you'll probably notice that my mop is broken, hence why I'm on my hands and knees with the Aldi floor wipes. But they are really good, they get all the thick dirt off and they smell really nice. Just going over with the Zoflora out the sink and just making everywhere smell nice. And that is my kitchen done. Next, moving on to the lounge / dining room. It's like a bomb's hit it. Yeah, toddler and a dog. That's what happens. So yeah, I'm just going to spruce it up. To be quite honest with you guys, you probably don't need me boring talking over the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just basically tidying around. I'm going to get the Mr. Sheen out, give it a good polish. Yeah, so I'll stop talking right now and let you enjoy me cleaning the house. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, then hello, nice to meet you. Do subscribe to my channel, that would be ace. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.